Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's up with you this week? Ano energies for Pisces this week? December 16 to 22. Mercury messages. Mercury is the planet of communication. So, maaring merong important communication for you this week or mas marami kang kakausapin ngayong week na to. Oo. Maaring 11th house community. So some of you you are a public speaker or meron kang certain influence within a certain community. So pwedeng ikaw ay public official, public figure, or pwedeng ikaw ay content creator, you have a certain following sa social media. And I think mas lalong lumalawak yung yung iyong following, yung community mo. You have 8th house mystery. You are learning. Oo, meron kang mga inaaral ngayon, Pisces, na kumbaga hindi siya pangkaraniwang topic. Oo. So this can be anything that is mysterious, anything na spiritual. Let's say you are getting more interested in tarot, astrology, numerology, Chinese astrology, or anything, any type of belief system, no, or spiritual practice na gusto mo pang laliman ang iyong knowledge. And I think kaya mo rin ginagawa yan, kaya mo mas inaaral yan dahil you are also influencing others, no? You have a community na kung saan nagsishare ka ng iyong mga kaalaman sa kanila. Okay. Ano man tong kaalaman na to, expertise na meron ka. Let's see what else, Pisces. You have the 3 of Cups, celebration, 4 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, kapag kayo ay lumalabas at let's say pumunta kayo sa party, celebration, gathering, pagkatapos nyo umuwi, parang ayaw nyo na ulit lumabas. Maaring it feels draining para sa inyo na lumabas. So you really need to recharge. I see some disappointments dito sa isang situation na may kinalaman sa pera, no? So pwedeng merong kang kaibigan or someone na inaasahan mo that will help you with your financial struggles or issues. Tapos biglang hindi pala siya available or hindi ka pala niya matutulungan, or pwede namang this person owes you something, no? Parang halimbawa may utang sa'yo, tapos ina-expect mo na magbabayad na siya pero hindi pa pala siya magbabayad. So it's kind of disappointing for you. You have the 10 of Swords here. 10 of Swords is extreme. Parang you're feeling frustrated. You're feeling frustrated. Yung iba sa inyo kasi pwedeng kamag-anak nyo to, so parang nisip nyo, ang hirap, 'di ba? Lalo na kapag itong kamag-anak na to yung merong atraso sa iyo. So, una-una ang hirap singilin, ang hirap ayusin because kamag-anak, 'di ba? So, some of you pwede ring magka-cut off kayo ng connection sa isang tao na sa tingin nyo hindi na dine-deserve ng inyong attention. Okay. Ayan, nagsilabasan. Kunin natin lahat. You have the Ace of Cups. There is a new source of happiness. This can be a new romantic connection for some of you, no? Maaring meron ka makikilala this week. Ace of Wands. This is a spark of inspiration. You have the 2 of Coins, Knave of Cups. Merong may romantic interest sa inyo. Pwedeng ito ay bagong kilala nyo lang o makikilala nyo sa event, sa gathering, o ipapakilala ng isang kaibigan. Kaya lang, medyo mag-ingat rin sa intention ng taong ito. So, kilalanin mong maigi. Kasi pwedeng, hindi pala maganda yung intention, or baka yung tipong hindi pala siya ganun kaseryoso, 'di ba? So, get to know this person, but of course may kilig moments dito for some of you. Yung iba naman, meron kayong aaralin na bagong skill or knowledge that will improve your finances, your career, or anything that is related to your sources of income. So, example, may aralin kang skill, halimbawa, graphic design, yan. Tapos, yung skill na yon ng graphic design, you can use it, pwede mo siyang gamitin para mag-create ng income sa internet, online, yan. To offer your services. So, extra income din yan para sa inyo. Diba? Let's see. Yun nga lang pagdating sa yung kung kayo ay mahilig magpahiram ng pera, i-limit nyo na, no? Kasi meron ditong hihiram sa inyo na baka hindi na kayo bayaran. You have the Jupiter in Cancer in the 4th house. I feel like there is some issues within the family, no? Ito yung baka merong inggitan within the family, or merong kayong deep issue na kailangan nyo pag-usapan pero actually iniiwasan nyo. You have Mars in Libra in the 7th house. Yeah, Mars is the planet of aggression. So pwedeng magkaroon dito ng like argument, no? Oo. Within the family or someone that is close to you. You have Jupiter in Virgo in the 6th house. Jupiter is the planet of expansion. This is also the planet of good luck. So when it comes to your career, no, your business, or ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo, merong blessings for you, lalo na sa trabaho mo. Maaring you will be recognized sa workplace. New pathways, o consider whether you are happy on your current path. So siguro yung iba sa inyo, i-reassess yung situation that you are in, if you are happy with your career, business, or relationship. Maaring meron kang bagong experience na i-explore. You have acceptance, embrace who you are. Yes. So loving yourself more, accepting your truth, being more authentic sa pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. Yan yung ipapractice mo this week moving forward. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.